Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use VPN safely on public Wi-Fi. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to simply use VPN safely on your public Wi-Fi, then you need to activate a reputable paid VPN service before connecting to the network to encrypt your data. You need to ensure your device auto connect feature is off, you have disabled file sharing or AirDrop, and use a firewall. You need to always verify you are connecting to the legitimate network and not a fake hotspot. So you need to first of all activate your VPN and then choose your reputable service, turn off sharing and enable a kill switch as well. You need to verify your security and use multi-factor authentication and keep your software updated. So this is how you can use your VPN safely on public Wi-Fi. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.